Matthias.
Don't you just love seeing like this selection row of dive lights?
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure you want to tell me you have a little surprise for me.
After the intro. Hey there, underwater filmmakers, and welcome back to another episode of reviewing your underwater films with the surprising Sebastian.
The surprised Sebastian?
No, the surprising, because you surprised me by telling me that I've got a surprise for you. They're not for you.
Okay. Well, then see you next week.
Okay, I'm in the need of a new assistant. You can apply.
Assistant. Excuse me.
Okay.
Well, as you already put them out there, why don't you tell me?
Pet him.
No. Tell us a little bit about them.
Well, these are actually the three underwater video lights that Divefolk has in their repertoire, starting with the 2000 lumen one, the 5000 lumen one, and the brand new 12,000 lumen underwater video light. They're like top of the line light. The 2000 is really cool for night diving, and it also comes with a separately purchasable snoot module. It's actually really cool to do some creative lighting. The 5000 lumen one is my go-to light because it's like nice and compact and still powerful enough to be used on like a Divefolk C-Touch 4 Max with a smartphone or any other compact camera like a DJI Osmo Action or a GoPro or anything like that, TG6 or 7. And the 12,000 lumen one is actually a really, really nice and powerful light, which can be used, I would even say, professionally in terms of the output power that it generates and also the high quality light that comes out of this underwater video light. So yeah, that's the variety of different lights that Divefolk has on offer, and I think they're that's probably one thing that I really like about Divefolk per se. They're just increasing and building up the portfolio of different products in sort of combination or in association to be able to capture good-looking underwater shots. They're just building that portfolio and that repertoire, which is really, really cool. So if you guys want to have a look at what they're offering other than just their famous C-Touch 4 Max, then head to their web shop. Link's going to be down in the video description below. And because Divefolk is the sponsor of today's video and the series, they're also offering an extra 6% discount to all of you guys. The only thing you have to do is put the code Matthias Lebo into the little field at checkout. And that's going to give you a 6% discount on any of these lights and any other pieces of equipment that you can find on the Divefolk webshop. Which one do you want? You can only pick one.
That's hard.
Okay, I take them all. They're all mine.
Well,
you had
thank
your
you
chance.
very much.
You had your chance. You missed it.
Thank you, Matthias.
They look really good back here.
Yeah, they would look as well really good.
Nope.
At my place.
No,
But
they wouldn't.
anyways.
They wouldn't.
We are not here for the video lights. We're here for another review because it's Thursday. And
It's Thursday.
and again, he's starting singing. And today's video is from Anton Plaksin. And Anton was diving in the Arctic, in the White Sea in Russia. And he was filming, and I honestly have never heard that before, the Nera swarm spawning.
Okay. Where was your mind?
It's probably the same. But anyways.
You dirty, dirty little man.
And now I'm lost in.
I can see that. That's all right.
He was actually filming with a Lumix S1H in a Nordic housing.
Oh wow!
He was using a Ninja 5 recorder and I never heard of that brand before, AMG VL 14100 CX video lights.
AMG, isn't that a model of Mercedes?
Yeah, I think
car?
so, but I'm pretty sure he wasn't dying with a Mercedes.
Well, they've got some lights at the front too.
I looked them up, and they're big. They're like
So what are they
lights.
like? You said 14,000 lumen each?
Yeah. So like they're giving you some output. Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Cool.
I'm really curious to see what he did there.
Where was it filmed?
It was filmed in the Arctic, White Sea in Russia.
In the Arctic?
Yeah. So pretty cold, I guess.
Yeah. I hope he was wearing a dry suit. Well, in any case, let's watch the video. Wow. Crazy stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
Impressive.
Look at that coordination. What the heck was that?
Wow. Pretty cool.
Very unique. Anton, thank you.
Yeah.
From the bottom of my heart. That was really cool. I really enjoyed that.
That was amazing.
That was very creative. Like,
Yeah.
especially like the first, what was it, half a minute or so,
Yeah.
where it was very full of energy, quick cuts, very isolated view of the animal, close-ups. It was special. It was really cool. Like those first, I don't know, 30, 40, 45 seconds, whatever it was, that was really cool. And the rest was nice too, but it kind of started dragging a little bit after that. But the first part was...
The first 30 seconds they were like amazing, and the rest was great. Yeah, I think. Well, we finished the review right now. Amazing, great, done. If we want to now criticize anything, that's like just on top because
Okay.
like it's really cool.
Okay.
And what you said, I was thinking about it when we saw it, and what you can do is use this very, how you say, mystic or like full of tension part, because you have no clue until we saw the dive. I had no clue how big the animal that worm is. No clue.
You thought you also
it's like-
thought it was like a monster.
Yeah, it's like it could be like an anaconda in the Arctic,
It could have the head of an elephant.
but like it was like tiny.
Maybe the diver was just very far away.
Maybe. So if you want to keep that, I would not include any shot for size reference, just to keep it. You couldn't go to full length. You could like maybe up to a minute. Keep the tension with all the different shots, like the creative stuff you said.
But then keep also the rhythm of the
keep it
cutting.
up. This could be one part.
Yeah.
And but the other shots are very cool as well. I love the one where you see the diver in the in the background.
Out of focus.
Really cool.
Yeah.
If you go there, like as an additional part, I would start using a narrator. Like let somebody talk you through, because like we knew what's happening because we had the email, but if you see it, you might not know what's happening, what it is, where it is, what's happening, and just I don't know, maybe like 5, 6, 7 sentences from a narrator could really put like a 90 seconds like tiny documentary about this amazing footage.
About the spawning of this special worm. Yeah.
Because
I loved it. I loved it.
Me too.
Anton, thank you. Really, that was really
Pretty
cool
cool
to watch. Yeah, that was really, really freaking cool. And I mean, there's not much in terms of improvement other than what Sebastian said with being decisive on what you wanna, which way you wanna go with the final film. And there's that nothing speaks against doing 2 pieces. One where you go full on to the creative part and keep it shorter, and then maybe a slightly longer one where you have the size reference with the diver and, as you were saying, with the narration or some extra information, just giving some context as to what people are actually seeing. I don't really have much more to say.
I just maybe want to add something which is not for Anton, more for everybody else watching it. It's like, this is the reason why you have this kind of cameras. Because like this is not possible with a GoPro. It's not possible with any action camera. It's gonna be very challenging with compact cameras. You really need a very good autofocus, or like even better manual focus. And
I was just gonna say, I don't know if that was autofocus.
No, I'm pretty sure he was using like manual focus. Just like where's the line where you start you being able to do that.
Yeah.
So you really need a good system for doing that.
Sure.
Like light, camera, and all the other stuff like talent.
Being in the right place at the right time.
Yeah. So like it's nothing which just comes easily swimming by, and
Agree.
so really impressive. Really cool.
Anything else you want to add?
No.
No. Okay, well, let me sum it up once more. Thank you so much, Anton, for submitting. Really, really cool idea. Very creative. We really loved how you put this together. The quality of the shots are amazing. It really gives a incredible insight and an incredible view onto this very special animal that neither of us was very aware of beforehand. So thank you so much for that. And the only thing that we think is something that you can sort of focus on in terms of improving is to be more decisive on which way you want to go with your production, whether you want to go all the creative way, as I said before, and then just don't include the shots with the divers, just do it like this very unique way of showing the animal without any size comparison, so that it just freaks out people a little bit. And then, looks like an alien really. And then, or go the other way where you do more like a mini documentary and add some some extra information and some context to what people are actually seeing, or you can even go both ways and do two separate pieces. That would definitely work here as well. So these are the tips that we have for you there, and yeah, again, thank you for letting us watch and review this piece here within the series. Of course, we're going to be linking Anton's video and his YouTube channel down in the video description below. And please, guys, hop over to his channel and have a look at the other content that he's got on there. Other than that, if you have a film that you would like us to review here on the channel and within this series, please send us an email to contact@matthiaslebo.com and let us know what camera you used to film it, where it was filmed, other additional information you want us to know before we review the film, and obviously place a link to the uploaded film into the email as well. Have I forgotten anything?
No.
No. That's great. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with us. As always, we hope that we were able to give you some inspiration, that some of the tips that we mentioned today are useful for you as well. And if that's the case, then do hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more underwater video related content here in the future. Until next time, have a great week. Keep capturing all those amazing underwater adventures of yours, and we will look forward to seeing you back here on the channel for the next episode of reviewing your underwater films next Thursday. Have a great week and see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.